Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me, I'll be using home screen as an example for this. Now once your content is open and visible, simply press the power button and the volume down at the same time. You get this annoying sound along with the pop-up right here with messaging, edit, share, Google Lens, and delete options. And you also see this automatically disappears from the screen if you don't click on any of these options. Now, once it disappears, you can find your captured screenshot by going into your Photos application, and it will show up in your Photos tab, as you can see right here. But if you're trying to find it later on down the line, whatever screenshot you've captured, and you have a bunch of like photos, videos, screenshots, screen recordings, downloaded images, and all that other memes and whatever you have on here, it might be simpler to navigate it to albums, which right now are not visible right here because there isn't enough content. But right here you'll find albums. And when this shows up, you can click on it, and in those albums, actually, wait, we can also, I guess, navigate to the search, which also kind of brings them up. So you can see in here we also have screenshot album visible right here. Now in the middle tab where you have albums, you will also find these categories at the very bottom below all the albums that are visible, and you can see this list, or you can also find the screenshot album as an actual like a tile. So once you see it, you can tap on it, and this will take you strictly to a location where you can only see screenshots. Makes it super easy to find whatever you're looking for. And here is a screenshot that I've captured. Now for me, it was easy to find it no matter what, but just warning you for the future when you're trying to look through like an absolute cluster mess of photos and videos, this will be the best way. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.